and gentlemen, welcome back to the shed. Welcome back to the channel. I think it's 13 sales going out of here today. This is a Sunday and it is about 8:38 p.m. So I need to go ahead and go through these with y'all so y'all can see what's sold, so y'all know what's selling on eBay, Mercari, and Amazon. Nothing on Poshmark today. But I've got a couple of good items going out of here. Gonna make a little money today and hopefully give y'all a little information, maybe something you can learn from. First up on Amazon, I have 2 sets of socks going out, and these are socks that my wife had picked up at Ollie's, and they're these khaki colored socks here. There's 3 pair in each one of these, and we sold 2 of them, and that's great because we're going to save money on shipping. Anytime you can save money on shipping is awesome. You're going to put a little bit more money in your pocket. Those sold for $17.50 each, so $35 for those 2 pairs of socks. We had, well, it's technically 6 pairs of socks, but we had $3 each in those, so $6 in them. They sold for $35. They're going to ship out of here at a first class rate. Going to make plenty of money on those. We're actually probably going to make somewhere around $18 or $19 on those, so that's a great one. Now this one right here was a new kind of sale for me on Amazon. I have passed a lot of these things up in the past because people were asking $10, maybe even $15 for them, and I was a little skeptical of buying them and trying to sell them on eBay because they do sell for about $50 plus shipping on eBay. But I don't know, y'all, it's something that can break in the mail. But I looked on Amazon and I was amazed that you could sell these up there. I just picked this up at a church sale where it was where I picked up, I don't know, I picked up a few things and I spent $20 with them. And the lady told me to just give her 10, but I gave her 20 anyways. But did y'all know that you could sell these on Amazon in used condition? I didn't. I had no idea that you could sell these old Corningware percolators up there. This is the stovetop model. This is not the electric model where you plug in. It's a 9-cup Corningware with the cornflower percolator, and it has all 3 pieces that go with it in there. Has the top. It's all in really good condition. But y'all, I sold that on Amazon. I didn't even know you could do that. So what do y'all think that sold for on Amazon? Like I said, you could sell it for up to $50 on eBay if you got the right buyer plus shipping. Well, y'all, I sold it over on Amazon for $79.99. I think that was the buy box price. You can actually price it higher than that if you want to, and if you're the only person up there selling it, then you could probably get that for it. But that thing sold. I bought it about 7. I got there at 7, so somewhere around 7:30. I got home around 9:30 or so, and that thing was listed and sold by the end of the day. I don't even think it made it through the afternoon, and it sold. And today's Sunday, so we're going to ship it out tomorrow. But $79.99, y'all, for a Corningware percolator. I guess don't miss out on these sales over there on Amazon. I never knew you could do that. My next sale is, I didn't tell y'all what I paid for that. I mean, I picked up quite a few things in there. I mean, if you divide it up, I don't know if I picked up like 9 or 10 things. I mean, you could say I had $2 in it, sold it for $79.99. But next item up is this cool Marge Simpson mug. On the front of it, it says Mom's Day Off, and on the back it says you deserve it. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but down in the bottom, it's got Bart and Lisa, and I can never think of the baby's name, but it says Mom. They're holding up a little banner that says Mom. But this is a Universal Studios cup from 2008, and I had like a book in that thing, and it sold for $22 over on Mercari. Now that's $22 free shipping. I'm going to have to ship that, and this is a heavier mug. Some thin mugs can ship out in first class. But this one weighs 1 pound and 2.5 ounces, so it's going to go out at about a 2-pound rate after I get it packaged up. So it's definitely going priority, but still going to make some money off of it, even though I have to ship it priority. Now we have 10 orders over on eBay that I've got to go through, and this first one, I don't remember what we paid for it. This is before we started putting our custom SKUs up there with the price we paid for them. So y'all, I know I got it from Walmart, but I just don't know how much I paid for it. And it is a Black Flag bug zapper, 2,000 volts, half-acre coverage, but it's brand new in the box. Bought at Walmart on clearance. I really think I paid like $8 for those things. Now that, if I did pay $8, that's a good deal, because it sold for $29.99, free shipping. So if I paid $8 for it, I did well. I will definitely double my money on that one. Next up is an item that I picked up. Let's see, I picked up 6 or 7 of these things quite a while ago. I had a 15% off coupon at Ollie's, and I think these things were on sale too, but it's a Bible cover, and it weighs, let's see how much this thing weighs. It weighs 7 ounces. I can throw it in a bubble mailer and it will go out of here first class. Now, there is a piece of foam inside this thing to just kind of keep it puffed up. If I take that out, I might get it to go out of here at a 4-ounce rate, which would take it down a little bit more. And there's nothing wrong with me doing that, and I may do it. But it sold for $17.97, free shipping. Next up is an item I picked up for like, I don't know if it was like a quarter or 50 cents or something like that, and I didn't even know what it was. I just know to look for the words Pampered Chef. I mean, some of their stuff is expensive, some of it sells really fast, but this is a hold and slice. I have no idea what that is, y'all, but I picked it up. It looks to be brand new in the package, never used. I bought it when we were at, oh, where were we at? We were somewhere in South Carolina. We weren't in Myrtle Beach or anywhere like that. I can't remember where we were, but picked it up down there for just a few cents, and it sold for $9.99 with free shipping. I'll just throw it in a bubble mailer. It'll be out of here first class. Next up is an item my wife picked up. She picked up more than one of these from Walmart, and I don't know what she paid for them. So I'll have to ask her about that, and if she can tell me, I'll put it in the video somewhere up there. It is an ice dye kit. I guess it's got everything in it you need to dye some clothes. I know nothing about ice dyeing, I can tell you that. I don't know anything about tie-dye to begin with, but I definitely don't know anything about ice dye. But like I said, I don't know exactly what she paid for that thing, but it sold for $14.98, and the buyer's paying the shipping on it. They got a total of like $25.23. So I'm sure we made money off of it. And the next item I have is one of my Lego Dimensions items, and I've only got like 3 or 4 of these things left. But this one is, it's an incomplete model. It has the it has two discs with it. It has a vehicle disc, and then it has a character disc in it, but the spaceship is incomplete. Everything's not there, but it's Spaceship Benny, and it sold for $8.40 free shipping. It will go out at a less than 4-ounce rate, so it's probably going to be around $3.42 shipping for that. So we're going to make some money. And like I told y'all before, all of those Lego Dimensions items were free to me from a friend. He gave them all to me to help my business out. So thank you, Jonathan and Caddy. If y'all ever watch any of my videos, maybe you'll see that thank you in there. But next up is an item of my daughter's. It is some clothes she had. It's this little Ruffle Girl outfit. I'm not going to take it out of the package. Y'all will see the picture up there of the sold comp. But it sold for $13.99, free shipping, and she'll like that because she'll get to put a little bit more money in her pocket. Next up, I thought this was really cool when I found it, and I paid $2 for it. Don't know if I should have, but it's a switch plate, and y'all, some of these like novelty and decorative switch plates are a good buy. And this one has a fan, some papers, some books, and a telephone on it. I'm probably got a bad glare on it. Maybe y'all can see that, but it's made by Fiji. I have no idea who Fiji is, but it's vintage, 1998, y'all. I saw that for $2. I had to pick it up. I didn't see any comps on it. I just figured I could get $20 for it, and if nothing else, I could probably get 15 for it. And it weighs 5.5 ounces, so it's definitely gonna go out of here first class. But I was hoping I could get $20 for it, and I said, well, if I get 15, that'll be fine too. Well, y'all, it sold for $16.98 with free shipping, so paid $2 for it. Next up is an item that I picked up on Whatnot. I bought 2 of these little pullovers from a guy, and they're Notre Dame pullovers. You're not gonna be able to see it here. You have to look at the picture I put up. But this is a size medium, and when I got these from that guy, I made sure I didn't buy any more from him. If you go back and look at one of my videos, I talk about how I bought these items from him. I bought like 8 or 10 shirts and pullovers and stuff from this guy, and everything I got from him smelled like smoke. Y'all, most people go to yard sales and thrift stores and stuff, they smell something that smells like smoke, they don't buy it. Same goes for me selling on eBay. If I sell it to somebody and they get it and it smells like smoke, if they're not a smoker, they're going to want to send that thing back to me. So I have a way of getting smoke smells out of clothes, upholstery, cars, stuff like that. It's called a ozone generator, and if you look down in my description down below the video, you will see a link to one of those generators. You don't have to get that exact one, and I also have a older video of me using that thing, showing you how it works. But you don't have to buy the one in my affiliate link down below. You can buy one from anywhere, but at least take a look at it. If you buy clothes from yard sales and stuff, and you always pass that stuff up that smells like smoke, you might want to check that thing out, because y'all, it can make you a little bit of money. You had to pay a little bit of money up front, but you can make some money by using that thing, because those shirts that I bought from that guy, the 8 or 10 shirts I got, they would have been absolutely useless to me if I couldn't get that smell out of them. But that thing there sold for $34.99, and I think it's gonna go out of here first class. Ooh, yeah, just under 13 ounces. It's already in a bag. I'm gonna throw it in a poly bag, and I'm gonna send it out of here. Next up, I paid $2 for this item, and I picked this item up at a yard sale from the lady I bought all the bike week t-shirts from, if y'all watched that video. But it is a dashboard hula doll. I don't know how old these things are. They don't have, it says made in China. They don't have any dates on them, but I'm pretty sure these are vintage items. I think these are probably from around 98 to 2000, somewhere in there. But like I said, paid $2 for it, and it sold for $18.99 free shipping. Now it is 7.2 ounces, so I'm going to get that thing out of here first class. I don't really think there'll be an issue with that. Now next up is the item, my last item, and it definitely ain't going out of here first class. This thing's heavy. I think I just put out a recent video where I bought this thing when we were down in Daytona Beach. It was I think the title of that's like random thrift finds or something like that. But I'll set it up here so y'all can see it. Kind of heavy too. I don't know how much this thing weighs, but it's this Century 1150 safe. It's like a carrier travel case, and this thing is heavy, y'all. It weighs almost 14 pounds right by itself. Now I set that up to go out UPS, I do believe. So the buyer is having to pay that UPS rate. I'm not paying that. I think I paid like $18 for that thing back in that video. And it sold for $39.89, and the buyer's paying the shipping. After shipping and tax, they are all in for $62.44. I mean, it's a great safe, I'm sure. And the keys are with it and everything is very clean. I'm sure they'll be plenty happy with it, but they're having to pay like $20 almost to get that thing shipped to them. But I'll take it. $18 into $39.89, and truth be told, I'm probably gonna make $1 or $2 off the shipping. So I am not complaining about any of this, y'all. Very happy to have all these items going out of here today. It's actually like a day and a half. This is Sunday, so it's kind of half of Saturday and today. I did get some items out yesterday. I even shipped out one of the items I picked up at that churchyard sale. It was a electric starter, like a handheld starter for a weed eater. But enough of that. Got a bunch more stuff listed yesterday, listed a couple things today, just trying to keep things going. We're getting anywhere between 5 and 10 items listed on eBay every day, and I think that's kind of helping out the sales. I've seen a lot of people talk about a summer slowdown, but I'm really not seeing it, y'all. And now that I'm saying it, I might see it, but it seems like when you don't talk about these things, they don't happen. When you talk about them, it comes up. But that's what I got today, y'all. Thank y'all very much for being here. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell if you want to know every time I put up a new video, which is often. I've been putting up videos like every 2 days here recently, and sometimes day after day. I'm going to have to cut back here shortly. Got a lot going on. We've got our Vacation Bible School this week. We started it today. We've got it Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I'm going to have to slow down a little bit. Kind of getting overwhelmed with stuff to do. There's not enough time in the day, y'all. But thank y'all again for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.